I need to catch you up. I spent all summer in the national forest, and then I put my camper into storage for a couple of months while I visited family in Alabama. You like adventure? Yeah. I hung out in Phoenix and did a mural. Now I am back in my camper. It's only been a couple weeks. I've been doing a lot of things with my camper. That's why I haven't been making videos, because between freelance work and camping, it's been a struggle to keep up with YouTube as well. Let me try to talk about all the changes that I've made the last couple weeks. For starters, the skylight. The cover had tape all over it. I fell on it last winter and broke it. It took me so long to get all that lab sealant up and to unscrew the broken cover and then put a new cover on. I'm really happy about having this light up here now. Okay, so next is I got some pink sheets. I was just putting a blanket down. I like the pink, it's fun. Probably not the most practical thing for an adventure camper that gets dirty, but hey, I want to feel girly, you know? I have a 6-inch mattress now. I used to have an 10-inch. Why I went from a 10-inch mattress to a 6-inch mattress was definitely not for comfort. The 10-inch was way more comfortable. This one I will be able to lift up. Even though I have a cover under here, I'm gonna be able to get airflow in here now. This shouldn't get moldy and moist under here because my propane furnace, it causes a lot of moisture in here during the winter time. The second reason I got a 6-inch mattress was I couldn't easily open this door. So if I just have like one blanket on, it can still open easily. Another thing was headspace. I didn't have as much headspace anymore, and it really made a difference, and it kind of drove me crazy to not have any headspace. Also, I took out my oven. So the gas line had cracks in it. Could have blew up my whole camper. So that's a good thing that I've taken that out. It was pretty expensive to get a new one, about 700 bucks, but gotta do what you gotta do, you know? The last thing was my roof. I completely resealed my roof. This is my new roof. Here's a small little thing. These are connections to the solar panel, and this is where this project is at right now. It's not exactly how I want it. I put up this little Made in Alabama sign that my mom got me. I picked it out at like a little festival. There's also shelves now and the TV tray. I'm at a campground right now. I've been working with my water and sanitizing my fresh water tank. Apparently you're supposed to do that twice a year, sanitize your fresh water tank, and I haven't done it since I've had the camper, which has been over a year. So I've been working on that, and it's been freezing cold and things are freezing, and you know, the usual winter camping dramas. It should be good to go. I see some water leaking under here, and I'm not sure if it was when I was filling up my fresh water tank this morning. I kept just the water flowing to try to drain out any extra bleach that was in there. So I'm fingers crossed that I don't have a broken pipe. I'm gonna see if it dries and if it's all good, or if it continues and I know I've got a real issue. Yeah, let's cross our fingers that it's fine. But it kind of scared me this morning. I've never seen anything like that before. So I wonder if it's gonna be a big deal or not. Stay tuned. It's funny how when you're living in a space, like, little fixes mean everything, but to you it feels like, oh, that's just a little thing, getting the skylight cover fixed. But for me, I'm like, yay, it makes such a big difference, all the little things, because you're in here so much, especially in the winter time. I am gonna pack up and get out of this campsite. We'll see you guys in a bit. At REI, I found these Blunderstone boots that I love. My mom got me some a couple years ago. They did a $200 pair of boots for $84. So I can have kind of more of a everyday pair, and then the ones that my mom got me I'll wear for like special occasions. My hose froze last night, so I've got to defrost this thing. Ah, the joys of winter camping. Patience. Yay! This little connector piece, it has like a special little trick to it, and it always takes me a minute to figure out how to get these things unhooked, even when it's not cold outside. I have no idea what's going on, but my camper's got a very dramatic lean right now, and it sucks. I forgot to talk about it. I got my winter tires put on, and I got remote start. That's pretty exciting. Whew. And I tried to fix this part because it was sagging down, and I still don't think it's right. I'm gonna make sure my water pump is off just in case that leak is for real. I've got to get fuel today. Bye, Tumalo State Park. Hello, Diesel. Oh, I forgot to show you. I got a new stereo put in, and so it shows me my navigation.
Take the next left onto Obie Riley Road.
Pretty excited about this. It has been a dead sprint to get ready for winter because winter snuck up so quick this year. Last year it took ages. That's okay, we're getting there, and we're getting there quick. Thanks for hanging out with me while I pack up. And if you have any ideas on what is wrong with my camper and why it's leaning, let me know.